These examples are all piecewise linear functions. And if you keep in mind that 2 points determine a line, sketching these functions become much easier. In example 3, the lines are y equal to -4, y equal to x minus 1, and y equal to 5. In example 2, the first piece is the line y equal to -x over 2, and the second one is not exactly a line, it is a point. Example 1 consists only of horizontal lines. The first step is to watch out for any piece that consists only of a point, like in example 2. The second piece of example 2 is just a single point. It's not really a line. It's the point -3, 3. Example 1 has only intervals, so let's go ahead and plot the pieces for those intervals. For each piece of the function, plot the endpoints of the interval. For piece 1, the y-coordinate of the endpoint -2 is -1. The y-coordinate of the endpoint -1 is also -1. So we have these 2 points, one open, one closed. We connect them with a line. For piece 2, the y-coordinate is 0. So the endpoints of the graph are -1, 0, and 0, 0. One open, one closed. And we join them. We repeat the process for pieces 3 and 4. For example 2, we already know that the second piece is just the point -3, 3. The first piece is defined by y equal to -x over 2. So we get 2 points. Use the intercept as the first point because it is easy. For the other point, try x equal to 2. And you'll get 2 minus 1 as the point. You can use other points. And then whatever you get, you join the 2 points. For example 3, piece 1 is a horizontal line for the domain x less than -3. So the endpoint of the domain is -3. We get the point on the graph as -3, 4, and it's going to be an open point. So it's a horizontal line, and the dead end is that open point. Okay, for piece 2, the line is slanted, y equal to x minus 1, and the endpoints of the domain are -3 and 2. So the points corresponding to the graph for these endpoints are -3, -4, closed, and 2, 1. So we join these 2 points. So for piece 3, it's another horizontal line, y equal to 5, and point of domain is 2, so we get the point 2, 5 on the graph.